If you love the Fremantle lifestyle and you're looking for a home with space, style and comfort, this home here on an 809 square metre block in Hilton may well surprise you. The eye of the visual artist and the craftsmanship of the bespoke cabinet maker have come together to thoughtfully extend and elevate this home into another level of family living that's often sought but rarely found. Originally built in the 1960s, the home is being thoughtfully extended from the kitchen to create this beautiful open-plan living space. Now, the true heart of the home. Custom cabinetry, warm timber floors and carefully considered finishes reflect the creativity and craftsmanship of its owners. From the living and dining areas, stacking doors open wide to connect the home seamlessly with the outdoors. A covered deck patio leads to the pool, surrounded by lawn and established lush gardens, along with a hot and cold shower, perfect after a swim or a day at the beach. Just beside the pool is a flexible studio overlooking the water, ideal as an artist space, home office or teenage retreat. Beyond the pool, there's even more lawn and garden space to enjoy. Altogether, the backyard has that relaxed, timeless feeling, almost like the backdrop of a Slim Aaron's photograph. A separate accommodation wing includes 4 well-proportioned bedrooms, one with built-in cabinetry that can double as a second living space, another with custom-built bunks, a single bedroom and the main suite with walk-in robe, ensuite and wide picture windows overlooking the front garden. Beautifully crafted and thoughtfully extended and just minutes from Fremantle. I'm Laurie Curtin from C&CO Real Estate and I look forward to seeing you at the home open here at 55 Chadwick Street, Hilton.